Emmerdale spoilers revealed that Joe Tate, Ned Porteous, may soon get his comeuppance. And with Ross Barton, Michael Parr, befriending the village villain, we can only assume that it's right around the corner. Ross grew close to Joe in hopes of getting revenge on behalf of the Dingle clan. He even orchestrated a punch-up with Cain and Charity Dingle, Hordley and Charley Webb, to make it appear that he was Joe's ally. And Ross became Joe's driver after Graham Foster, Andrew Scarborough, grew tired of his boss' evil deeds. Although it appeared Ross despised Joe, Emmerdale fans have other ideas for their relationship. Instead of revenge, viewers were convinced that the hunky pair will hook up in future. Ross want to have sex with Joe or what? One asked. Move over RobRon. It's all about Joss now, another added. And a third had other ideas, tweeting, Joe, Ross and Graham love triangle? Alas, the budding friendship will soon be stopped in its tracks. Joe sensed that Ross was up to something while his former driver warned him to stay away from the Dingles. The businessman claimed he wanted to get to know his half-brother Noah Dingle, Jack Downham, better, and find out what Ross was plotting. Emmerdale continues tomorrow night at 7 p.m.